Hello buddies, this is Diksha and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Diksha, welcome to my channel. We do beauty and lifestyle related content here. So if that's something that interests you, I would highly suggest you hit that subscribe button and join the family. Today's video is going to be a guest makeup tutorial makeup video, and I have been wanting to do a tutorial since a long time, but then I thought a lot of people will get bored. But then y'all started enjoying my IGTVs on Instagram a lot, and all of them are tutorials, so I thought I'll do a detailed sort of a video on YouTube. So yeah, this is what I came up with. I am actually going to do my sister's makeup on her engagement, which is 2 days from now, and I won't get time to film that day. So I thought I'll pre-film the look and show you all what am I doing. Also, guys, I'm very sorry for being inconsistent here on YouTube. I just wasn't feeling the vibe, to do YouTube, or I just didn't like. I don't want to put content just for the sake of it. I want it to be authentic and I want it to be qualitative. I just don't want to put it solely because I want to, like, I have to put it. But yeah, I want my content to have a lot of quality in it and not quantity. So I thought I'd just give it a rest and then come back with something really nice. I think I've spoken a lot now, and now is the time that we need to get into the tutorial. So let's go. For today's video, I'll be using these brushes from Plume. They sent this to me in PR. It's not sponsored. They just sent it to me and I thought I'll try them out. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with my moisturizer. I'm using Emollient. It's really good for dry and sensitive skin type. And I don't really use any brush for my moisturizing bit. So I'm just massaging it into my skin. Moving on to the primer, I'm using the Silk Blur Moisturizing Primer from Plume. That's the primer. It's very silky, very soft. Next, I'm going to correct my face. So I'm using the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Graham Cracker. I'm using the Plume P22 brush and I don't take a lot of it. I'm taking very little amount because it's very full coverage. So I'm just taking that and applying it under my eyes. So it's my skin tone and just applying it wherever I have some darkness peeking through. It's a very full coverage concealer and it's quite drying, so make sure you prep your skin well. So they also sent me their sponges. So I'm using their microfiber sponge. That's how it looks like. It's already damp, so I'm just going on top of my concealer just to take off any excess and blend everything out further. So next for my foundation, I'm using the Color Bar foundation. This is the Color Bar 24-hour weightless liquid foundation. And I'm taking the Plume P05 brush. It's a flat brush. So just first patting and placing the product. So I don't like taking the foundation all the way till the perimeters of my forehead because I already have a dark forehead, so it sort of gives it a natural contour. Okay, once the placement of the product is done and I'm happy with the amount that I've put, I just go ahead and just blend it out with the same flat brush. Once I've like blended 90% of it, I like taking my beauty sponge and just blend any harsh edge or any unblended area out. So now I'm just going to mix two concealers. One is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer and the LA Girl Pro Conceal. So I've been loving mixing my concealer shades recently. It gives me a perfect highlighting effect and the perfect consistency and the coverage that I want. I'm going to apply it in the inner corner, like in the inner portion under my eye and the outer portion of my eye. But this way you end up using a lot less concealer than you would. I also like using it over here just to cover up some darkness again and just giving it an uplifted effect. Now just taking my blender and blending everything out again. So next I'm using a darker toned foundation stick for cream contouring, and I'm going to contour my cheekbone, my forehead, my nose, a little bit of my jawline, not a lot, and my lower lip. For blending out my contour, I'm using this brush. This is the Plume P04 brush. So blend your cheekbone contour in the upward direction so you get an uplifted effect again. For blush, I'm using the Colourpop blush sticks in the shade Mic Drop. So what I like doing is I just take some on the butt of my blender and start with the edge and then bring it towards my apple. Just keep blending it, make sure you blend it till you're satisfied with the blending. For setting, I'm using the K-Beauty Matte Compact in the shade 100N Light. That's how it looks like. I've hit pan in the center right here. And what I'm doing is I'm just going to get rid of the creasing under my eyes. You can do it with a brush, you can do it with a blender, whatever you're comfortable with. And I'm just going to set my under eyes with this shade. Don't drag anything, just press it into your skin really well. For setting the rest of my face, I'm using my Color Bar powder foundation in the shade PF02. So for setting, I'm taking the Plume P23 brush and I'm just lightly going to set my entire face up. So that's how it looks like. Hit pan again. I love this powder foundation for setting my face so much. It's really nice. And it like blurs out your skin as well. So looks really pretty. For my bronzer, I'm using the Fashion Fever Aqua Face Powder and I'm just going to place it on top of my cream contour. That's pretty much for my bronzing. Setting this cream blush with my powder blush, I'm using the Color Bar Cheek Illusion blush in the shade Pink Pinch. Such a beautiful product. So I'm using this, it's very pigmented. Make sure to tap off the excess and just again in the same motion start blending it towards the apples of your cheek. And for this I'm using the P01 brush. I like adding a little more blush in the beginning because I know it's gonna fade with time. So yeah. Now I'm gonna let my base settle down a little bit and we're gonna move on to the eyes. So I'm using the Miss Claire Eyebrow Cake and I'm using this taupe shade right here. And for brush, I'm using the P15 brush. So how do I like to do my brows? I've been loving natural brows recently. So I just sort of fill the gaps. I went off camera, carved my brows out and set a base for my eyeshadow. And for my eyeshadow, I'm using the Wet n Wild My Glamour Squad palette. I'm gonna take this transition shade on P07 brush and apply it in my crease. I'm gonna tap, first and then start blending it out. So I'm taking the P12 brush. It's a very small tapered brush. So I'm taking this shade now and I'm gonna create a line very close to my lash line. So I'm just going to buff the edges out now. Now I'm taking this shade to blend the brown out. Once the blending is a little done, I am taking a small blending brush. So I'm using the P12 brush. It's a small blending brush. And I'm taking the transition shade again and just blending and buffing that edge out. Just making sure it's nice and subtle. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and be right back. So I'm done with my other eye. Looks gorgeous. And now I'm using my kohl. So I'm using the Just Smoky Kajal kohl pencil from Color Bar. I'm using this kajal in my waterline, and I'm also going to line my upper lash line with this. So next I'm using a mascara. It's my favorite mascara of all times. It's the Color Bar Zoom and Whoosh mascara. I'm not defining my lower lash line with this because I think this is dramatic enough. Oh my god. Shoot. So I'll wait for this to dry, get it off and come back. I'm back. And now there's just literally 2 steps left. I'm gonna first make sure that my powders and my creams are blended. So I'm taking my Fix Plus and spraying it on my blender. Make sure you drench your blender with it. And I'm just going to start pressing it into my skin. So this gives me a lot more control when it comes to my placement. And then we're gonna highlight my face, which is my favorite part. So I'm using this highlighter. It's the Becca Shimmering It's the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Moonstone. I'm gonna take this brush. It's the Plume P02 brush. So yeah, I'm just gonna place it like that. So yeah, I've taken a little bit and I'm just going to apply it on the high points of my face. So it gives you like, oh, this actually works really well. This works so well. I like it. It looks good. And again, just apply it on the high points of your face. Nicely. Drench yourself in highlighter. Look good. And for my inner corners, I'm taking the P08 brush. The small pencil brush. Moving on to the lips and the last part of this video. So I'm using the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Leon. That's how it looks like. Now to top it off, I'm using my favorite NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Leon. Unfortunately, I don't have a lip brush in the Plume brush set. So I'm using a Lakme lip brush. So next I'm taking the PAC Sweet Sensation Lip Cream in the shade 01. I'm just gonna apply it in the center just to give that ombre effect. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, hit the notification bell, hit the subscribe button and join the family. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Till then, bye.